the monkey bread. If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. What's going on, people? It's your boy MrBucketlist, and here today I'll be doing a very quick review of Datz in Tampa, Florida. Let's check it out. As far as this restaurant, so this is like a place where they have what they call fusion foods. So they kind of blend different foods together to make like a concoction, something really unique, really good. I saw a couple of different news reports about it. I passed by it one time when I was just driving through Tampa, so I said, you know what, let me go ahead and try it and check it out. As far as the inside, I really can't give you all a full tour. There's not much to see. It's just like a bar type area, just a restaurant. This is the best way to put it. Now, before I got there, one thing I saw was it was going to be hard to get a table, and I saw that it was also going to take a long time to get my food. Now, I'll be honest with you, I don't know if it's because of the pandemic ending or what, but I didn't have an issue with either one. I was able to be seated in about 5 minutes, and then my food came out in about 10 minutes. So that was definitely a plus. And then check out what I actually got. So I got the cheesy tide, and I also got the monkey bread. Now, the cheesy tide is basically it's baked macaroni and cheese on top of this really good burger, and then of course all the condiments and stuff, and then of course the monkey bread was just kind of tasted just like a big Cinnabon, so it was really good. Now, as far as the flavor and everything, especially with that cheesy tide, it was extremely good. I mean, just look at this. Like, I was blown away. I mean, I got my burger medium, and it was really good. I saw that as a recommendation as well, and I'm glad I got that because medium was just amazing. The monkey bread was huge as well and good. For both the burger and the monkey bread, I did not finish it because it's just way too much food. But either way, this restaurant was definitely worth it. So as far as my rating, this is definitely going to be a must-do. Like I said, I didn't have much footage to put on the videos, so that's why it's so short. But I definitely do plan to go back. I've seen they have things like a burger where it's between 2 different donuts and just a lot of different other things that I really want to try out. I just didn't have the stomach for it today because I was so full. But again, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I definitely have a huge playlist of even more reviews, lengthy reviews, more in-detail reviews. If you want to check those out, check that playlist out, and I'll see you soon. Your boy, MrBucketlist. Peace out. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.